Make a great choice today with the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote engine start, remote power door locks, tire pressure monitoring system, trailering package, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.